Very good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss this theorem, section formula for internal division. So first we are going to see the statement. Let A and B 2 points. Let P be the point dividing the line segment AB internally in the ratio m is to n. Then OP vector is equal to MB vector plus NA vector by m plus n. So now I am going to draw the diagram. First, what is the given statement? Let A and B 2 points. Let A and B 2 points. So first I am going to take A and B 2 points. This is the line segment. Next, what's the given? P be the point dividing the line segment AB. So this is AB. Next, P be the point dividing AB. What? Internally. So that's why I'm put this point P internally. The ratio m is to n. Then the position vector OP vector. So the position vector OP vector is equal to what? MB vector plus NA vector by m plus n. So already we know that position vector OP vector that is equal to R vector, and OB vector that is equal to what? B vector, and OA vector is equal to what? A vector. So first I am going to take the position vector. So OA vector is equal to, first let the position vector OA vector is equal to A vector, and OB vector is equal to what? B vector, and R vector is equal to OB vector. So now I am going to take, so this AP BP. So we can write AP divided by BP is equal to what? M by N. So AP by BP, that is equal to what? M by N. Now I am going to take this cross multiplication. So N into AP vector is equal to M into PB vector. So already we know that position vector. So now, so here the position vector we can split AP vector, that is equal to OP vector minus OA vector. The next, and PB vector. So PB vector we can write OB, first OB vector minus OP vector. So position vectors, how we can represent? So AB vector is, this is just example. AB vector we can split OB vector minus OA vector. So next example, so we can write next example CD. So CD vector, how can we write? OD, first OD minus OC. So this is the form. So CD we can write OD minus OC. AB we can write first OB minus OA. AP first OP minus OA. BP first OB minus OP. So that's why I am going to write this. This is the I am going to write here. So now N into AP vector we can write OP vector minus OA vector. So that is equal to M into PB vector we can write OB vector minus OP vector. So now I am going to multiply this N and this M inside. So now this is equal to, which implies N OP vector minus N OA vector, that is equal to M OB vector minus M OP vector. So now I am going to separate OP vector one side. So here N OP, here minus M OP. So I am going to take that OP left hand side. So this NOA I am going to take right hand side. So what will get? So N OP vector plus this M OP vector, that is equal to here MOB vector plus n OA vector. So now what I did, so this one I'm going to this side and this one I'm going to this side. This is the procedure. So now I'm going to take this OP and this OP outside. So OP vector into n plus m, that is equal to here m OB vector plus n OA vector. Already we know that OA vector is equal to what? A vector, and OB vector is equal to what? B vector, and OP vector is equal to what? R vector. So now I'm going to substitute this one. So what will get? So OP vector into n plus m, we can write m plus n, that is equal to m OB vector is equal to what? B vector plus n OA vector is equal to what? A vector. So now I'm going to take this m plus n that side. So OP vector, that is equal to mb vector plus na vector by m plus n. This is the proof of our. Okay. Thank you, children.